Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn camera effects on or off in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key or the menu key on the controller. From there, select Options. In Options, make sure you are in the Video and Display tab. Scroll down to the bottom. Right here is the camera effects option. This covers dynamic blurring and distortion effects during naval combat, underwater sequences and minigames. I choose to toggle it off. Of course, you make your choice in this regard. After that, once you are done, press the back button, press the close button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.